What's going on, guys? This is Cam from Miller's RV in Baton Rouge, and it is Friday, August 8th. You know what that means. This is drawing day. This is when we announce the winner of our e-bike to celebrate our first 10,000 subscribers. Now, before we do that, we want to say thank you again. We appreciate everyone who helped us get here. We've really just been reflecting, and moving forward, we want to know kind of how can we improve, you know? How can we better serve you? Instead of just making videos on stuff that we think are cool, we want to make sure that you get informed and that you see the products that you want to see and you have the questions answered that you're really seeking to learn, because that's what we want. We've kind of learned that over these last 5 or 6 years, we've really developed a community who loves RVing, seem to care about each other. It's been really, really exciting. We're excited for the next step, but how can we improve? We want to make sure that this channel does what you're here to do, and that's to learn. So how best can we help learn you, if you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's draw. Let's do it. Let's see who the winner is. I'm very, very excited. Let's see. We've got the Enjoy the Journey mug. You know we had to do it. Let's see. Let's see. Cam Hilliard, it's me, you bunch of suckers. No, I'm just joking. I actually did comment, but this doesn't count. Darn. Well, that's okay. All right, now let's really see who we've got here who's gonna win this e-bike. Let's see. Let's see. AJ's Country Cooking 3366. Let's go, baby. If I'm not mistaken, I think you might be local. I think I remember your comment said you came in the store the other day. Congratulations, my friend. You just won an e-bike. To receive it, just leave a comment below. Let me know your email or your Instagram handle. Once we see it, I'll delete it so no one else can, so it's not on there forever. But that's the only way I'll be able to do it. Then we'll DM you and message you all the info. But congratulations, man. This is awesome. AJ's Country Cooking, man. Hopefully you can repay me back by cooking me some good country food. Now, I'm really excited for this e-bike, but like this is small, guys. We want to help you, and as I mentioned, let us know what you want to do. Like commenting on this is even more important than commenting on winning the e-bike. Like I really want to know how we can be better and how we can better serve you. Even if you guys want to see like product reviews or just, we want to expand. We want to make sure you're staying learning and that we keep challenging ourselves. We're excited to grow. We love being here with you for the first 10K. We're excited for the next 10K. As always, enjoy the journey.